Fingerprints, referred to as finger marks in forensics, are formed when residue from the ridged skin of the finger or palms is dashed onto a surface. So with is comes third form of verb, is transferred, transported, relocated and shifted. And what is being transported or transferred? Fingerprints. So fingerprints, for fingerprints we cannot use the word transport. It is used for cars, buses, trains, that is transportation. Relocation is to locate again. Like I have relocated to Sydney, means I've come to live, I've gone to live there. That is how we use the word relocated. And shifted also in the same sense, when we shift our house or we shift our place. So this is just transfer, that when we put our hand on something and then we take our hand, so the marks of our fingers are transferred onto that surface, leaving behind an impression. Finger marks are often made of sweat and colorless materials such as soap, moisturizer and grease. The sentence is complete. Material is a noun, so we need to find out what kind of materials are soap, moisturizer and grease. Polluting, tainting, contaminating, purifying. So if we wash our hands with soap or we put moisturizer on our hands, and there is some residue on our hand, something oily, something that is on our hand otherwise, which if we wash our hands will not be there. So any of that thing is not polluting our hands, is not tainting means to spoil. Soaps, washing hands with soap or applying moisturizers don't spoil our hands. Purifying, and they are not purifying. Purifying is to remove the impurities, like we remove the impurities from water and make it in a purified form. So purified is used in bit of the scientific context, in chemistry context, that is purifying. But here we'll go with the word contaminating. Contaminating also means to, in one sense contaminating means to make something impure, but here contaminating has a lighter version also. It means that something is added, that is also contamination. So on our hands, when we put moisturizer, we wash with soap, few of the things are on our hands from those materials, from moisturizer or soap, so that is called contamination here. These finger marks are described as latent, as they are generally invisible to the naked eye, which means that dash them at a crime scene can be challenging. So placing, putting, setting or locating. From at a crime scene, we don't put the fingerprints intentionally, but yes, we look for them intentionally. So we'll say locating them at a crime scene is a difficult part because we cannot see them with the naked eye.